Another daily tip. Say we got a bulkhead and there's a surprise in there. That's the lazy man way to fix a hole in the ceiling. Let's just put a vent there.
Come on, guys, who does that? Let me show you the right way to do it. All right, obviously we got to go upstairs and get some 2x4s because those are going to be used as our backer. Just go ahead and place it however it makes sense and use some drywall screws to attach it. Throw up a piece of drywall in there real quick, and then the important part. Find somebody that can tape, mud, and texture for you. Because personally, I have zero patience when it comes to taping and mudding. There's bad, and then there's really bad. That's where I'm at. This bathroom vanity is in a house that we're going to be closing on in a couple of weeks, and we need to replace that bathroom sink. It got pretty beat up during the renovation process, so we're actually going to have the countertop people come back out and help us put a new one. But that means I got to get the stuff out of the way. Disconnect the drain, and I also got to disconnect the faucet. Like I said in yesterday's video, I just like to make the next guy's job a lot easier. For example, if you got a plumber coming over to your house to work on your bathroom sink, get the stuff out of underneath the sink. Make sure he's got a place to work. Or it's the people that need their toilet worked on and they don't clean it before you get there. Let's do what we can to start building a little bit of awareness of things around us. Pretty easy task here. We'll get this sink swapped out and we'll put the faucet and everything back together in 24 hours. And now finally, I think we can get back to the renovation house and start doing those showers.